This doctor thought that she had heard it all until she met with us. And my name is Tony Pajunin. This is a hotel room that I'm at right now. I'm a certified health coach. I'm at a convention. I'm learning a lot. But I wanted to tell you this story because it's a really interesting one. And basically, a doctor that we knew, we wanted to explain to her how she could help her clients with what we do. And so we went to her, and the problem was that she already had her own line of things that she carried. And she didn't really have time, and she said that she didn't really want to hear it because she's heard it all, and she's really not interested. But a friend of ours was getting injections because she was a skincare doctor, but she also had a orthopedic background. But anyway, she was getting injections to her face, and the doctor said, "Okay, well, you can talk to me about this while I inject your friend." And so everybody agreed, and she said, "You have 5 minutes." And we were like, "Okay." So we started talking to her, and the first thing we said was, "This is an absorbable form of hyaluronic acid and collagen." And she said, "Stop right there. I don't need to hear anymore." And we said, "Well, you gave us 5 minutes. We have 4 minutes left." And she's like, I told you, I don't need to hear anymore. I want to get this stuff. This sounds amazing. I want to help my clients with it." So she signed up right there on the spot to get it. And we've been working with her ever since. And what's great about that is that now she's actually even on the entire board of the scientific board of the company. And so we work with her very closely. And the other interesting thing is she actually gave up her own line to carry this instead. So it's really amazing because she understood. Very rarely do people understand so quickly what it is that's so amazing about what we do. And the fact that we have something that's absorbable and unique, an absorbable form of hyaluronic acid and collagen, was really something that she was able to understand in a way that many, many people don't, and so quickly. And so, that's the really interesting about that is that there really is no other form of hyaluronic acid or collagen or chondroitin sulfate and all these other glycosaminoglycans that our body can absorb and recognize. That's why what we have has 7 US and international patents, and there is nothing that can give you a 6,000% increase of hyaluronic acid in the bloodstream like the system that we work with. And so, it's interesting because the doctors who do know about this, they really, really understand how important it is for people to be able to take this and incorporate this system into their lifestyle so that they can get these kinds of very unique benefits. And the really amazing thing is that if she hadn't agreed to meet and to have the meeting, and she had just said that she doesn't have time, she would have never been able to help so many people that she's helped now, so many people of her clients that she's been able to help because she took the time to listen and have a meeting. And that's why meetings are so important with this. I really want to stress how important having a meeting with this to really be able to talk one-on-one and to be able to really sit down and address your unique issues is with our particular system. So basically, we met with a doctor who thought that she had heard it all. She gave us 5 minutes of time. We told her that there was an absorbable form of hyaluronic acid and collagen. She stopped right there. She signed up. She became a board member of the scientific advisory board for the entire company. And now she's been able to help thousands of people because of that one meeting that we had. And so that's what's so important is I really want you to take the time right now to click the link in the description and to have a meeting with us. All you have to do is click the link and schedule a time because we will work with you to get the same kinds of results that this doctor got for her clients. People look better now than they did 10 years ago. They're also able to walk better than they were before. They're able to get that hyaluronic acid and collagen back into their body in a way that just wasn't possible a few short years ago. So click that link, let us meet, and we will be able to solve your specific issue but we can't do it unless we meet with you personally to know exactly what's going on with your specific body. So again, just click the link below and I'll talk to you next time.